Exploiting vulnerable components. In this topic, we'll learn about exploiting vulnerable components in Android application by detecting attack surfaces, exploiting insecure services, and exploiting content provider. We will also get hands-on with the browser tool. Several vulnerable components in the Android operating system could potentially lead to security issues for users. Some of the most common exploitable Android components are as follows: activities, services, broadcast receivers, content providers. Let us look at how these components could be exploited. Attack surface in browser. The attack surface in browser refers to various components of an Android application that an attacker can potentially target to exploit vulnerabilities and gain access to sensitive information or perform malicious actions. These components include activities, services, content providers, broadcast receivers, and much more. Identifying attack. To identifying at the attack surface of an Android application or device, security testers can better understand the potential vulnerabilities and design security tests to assess the application's overall security posture. Browser provides tools and techniques to identify the attack surface of an Android application, such as the run app package attack surface command, which lists all the components and interfaces exposed by the application.